Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahar here from Alba Technologies, and today let's take a look at gaming on the new InFocus M530. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the time is 1:14 PM and I'll start with Asphalt 8, which is third on my list. And after this game, I'll play two more games which are sort of a high-end games and with better graphics than this one. So guys, as you have already seen the gameplay, this game is working just fine for me without any issues, no lags, no frame drops, nothing. All the graphics are rendered properly. Although the output via speaker could have been slightly better, but nevertheless it is not that bad. It is just fine. And overall the gaming experience is very decent on this device. And I have played this game for about 8 to 10 minutes now. And after this game, I'll check the temperature, what the temperature is after playing it for 8 to 10 minutes. And after that, we will play GTA San Andreas in max graphics. So guys, let's see what the temperature is. You can see the time, it is 13:24, which means that I played game for about 10 minutes and the temperature is around 45 degrees, which is just normal, because above 45 degrees it is not normal. Let's see what the temperature is at the back side. So you can see that it is going above 45 degrees, which is not normal. Now let's play GTA San Andreas for about 3 to 4 minutes, and after that we will play Modern Combat 5. Which is a high-end game, and you can see that this game is also working just fine. I can see all the shadows, the graphics are rendered properly. I can see a minor lag here and there, but that's okay. You can still play this game in max graphics settings, which is really nice. So overall the experience of playing games on this device is just good. No complaints, except for the fact that it gets heated up a lot due to the octa-core processor, although it is not very hot as compared to MI4i, which was going crazy. It was going to around 45 to 50 degrees in just 10 minutes. So that was really crazy. But this device is around 45 degrees, which is not normal, but still you can play games. I am unable to feel that much heat, although. Let's see the temperature, what it is. So after playing for about 12 to 14 minutes, you can see the temperature is around 42 degrees, 43 degrees on the front side. Let's see what the temperature is at the back. You can see that it is around 45 to 46 degrees. Which is not normal again. So as you can see that I am playing Modern Combat 5 now. It is a high-end game. As a lot of people ask me question that can we move our applications to SD card or not, and yes, you can move your applications to SD card, but all your data files will remain on phone storage, but you can copy them to SD card by creating an Android folder and creating data and OBB folders inside that. And you can see that you can also set default write disk as SD card, so even that feature is available over here. So guys, I have already played games for about 15 to 20 minutes and I can feel some warmness at the back side of the device, although it is not very significant compared to Mi4i, and even the temperatures are not crazy as Mi4i, although it is above 45 degrees, which is not normal, but again it is compared to Mi4i in terms of pricing and other features, so yes, you can say that it is not getting too much heated as compared to Mi4i. So I played games for about 20 minutes, as you can see the time, almost 20 minutes, 19 minutes to be precise, and you can see the temperature is around 40 degrees on the front, and at the back side you can see it is around 45 degrees or so. So guys, that was the gaming test on the Infocus M530, and here are the benchmark scores on Infocus M530. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because I'll be coming up with a lot of videos on Infocus M530 and other devices, so make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And also check out this short video. This was the gaming review of Infocus M530, and I'm shooting this video with the front facing camera. You can see that I'm sweating badly because I was playing games for about 15 to 20 minutes in this room. You can see the setup. This is my setup, and there is no fan, no air conditioner in the room, you can see. So you can understand how difficult it is. So please do hit that like button down below, because it helps us a lot, and do post your comments and queries in the comment section. This is Saurav Nahar here from Allbut Technologies. Thank you guys for watching.